Are you struggling to construct complex industrial projects efficiently? Do you find it challenging to keep everything on track while meeting tight deadlines and budget constraints? Introducing an industrial civil contractor specifically for you. Our innovative Industrial Civil Contractors streamlines your workflow, allowing you to oversee every aspect of your industrial projects with ease. From scheduling and resource allocation to real-time progress tracking, our contractors empowers you to make informed decisions quickly. With our platform, you can reduce delays, minimize costs, and enhance overall productivity. Say goodbye to the problems of juggling multiple tasks, and hello to a more organized, efficient approach to project management. Contact us today and experience the difference. Achieve your project goals faster and more effectively than ever before. To know more details, visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.